It was incredible. It was weirder than a cut-up cereal.
Japanese.
Yeah.
I've never seen Godzilla.
Oh, Godzilla is wonderful.
This is my CNC. It's fucking huge. This here is a router bit. I use these a lot when doing any machining work with my CNC. Without them, I can't cut anything. Now, I'm an amateur, so I break bits, but that's why you should just have 4 million bits on you at all times. And today, I get to use a brand new one. And it's nice and pretty.
They kind of ship or military backpack.
A pipe full of Afghani hashish, man, and just wondering how he got into the movie.
Right, yeah. People should know things like that. See, I mean...
Some say a friend, some say foe. And where will he surface next?
When it comes to cutting anything on a CNC, it can become very tedious, especially when it's materials you haven't worked with, or there's some kind of issue with how it's set up, the sizing, everything in between. And in the end, usually you're left with a lot of sawdust. So at this point, my mask was basically doing nothing. The smell of camphor laurel is very distinct. It's like pine and eucalyptus drops. Alongside that, the Hevea timber I also have smells pretty much like nothing. A little bit of a glue formaldehyde, sort of. I seem to find the time consumption is always large, even in projects like cutting boards. There's a lot of tasks that need to be done before you can call it finished, and it leads to spending more hours than you expected when starting. I had a relatively big piece of timber left over and decided to make myself a cutting board, as the ones I have at home are generally in bad shape. Here I'm just using a food-safe oil, and I've sanded the camphor to 320 grit.
I wonder, is it possible?
Is what possible, Larry?
Godzilla. I thought the Japanese had killed him years ago.
Godzilla?
Godzilla was a long dormant plesiosaur, Tommy, awakened to the modern world by nuclear radiation. It appears Godzilla is still alive.